grate 3 potatoes and make something easier than pizza. I'm going to start by adding olive oil to the pan, then a chopped onion, a grated carrot, 1 red bell pepper cut into strips, a teaspoon of salt, and I'll sauté all these ingredients. What potato recipe do you like to make at home? I'd love to know. Once done, I'll transfer everything to a bowl. Then I'll add 3 grated potatoes, chopped chives, and mix everything very well. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching us from so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Gideon Nakub from Bulawayo in Zimbabwe. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. After mixing well, we'll set it aside. Now, in another bowl, I'll put 3 eggs, a teaspoon of salt, and whisk well until fully mixed. Make this recipe at home, and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you'll love the result. I'll add 1½ cups of milk and mix again. I'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and keep stirring. Once you make potatoes this way, you won't want to make them any other way. It will become a routine at your house. Finally, I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix again. Once that's done, I'll pour the entire mixture over our vegetables. And now just mix all these ingredients very well. I'll transfer everything to a greased baking dish, spreading it evenly until it's flat. I'll put it in the oven at 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. After the oven time, I'll add mozzarella to taste on top, and I'll put it back in the oven for 15 more minutes. And our recipe is ready. Look at how delicious it turned out. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video until here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
小红书